Most people use ginger in their cooking, but almost nobody knows what it really does when consumed every single day. This golden root has been treasured across cultures for thousands of years, and modern science is finally catching up with what ancient healers already knew. What if one small root could reduce inflammation, improve your digestion, boost your energy levels, and even sharpen your mind at the same time? Here's the thing, for some people, ginger can even be dangerous if used the wrong way. From strengthening your immune defenses to potentially protecting your brain from aging, ginger is far more than just a flavor enhancer.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna Sabrina Anderson, and I'm a nutrition consultant dedicated to bringing you science-based information about the foods we eat. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful natural remedies hiding in your kitchen. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll reveal 9 incredible ways this powerful root can change your life. And number 7 is something doctors rarely talk about. So, let's get started.
Part 1. The Ancient Power of Ginger. Ginger has traveled through time for over 4,000 years, crossing continents and healing bodies. Ancient Chinese and Indian healers relied on it as a cornerstone of their medical traditions. The secret lies in its active compound called gingerol. This natural chemical gives ginger its spicy taste, while providing powerful antioxidant and antibacterial properties. When you consume ginger, you're introducing a natural medicine that influences multiple systems throughout your body. Benefit number 1. Digestive relief and nausea control. Ginger's most celebrated ability is calming an upset stomach. It stimulates your body to produce more saliva and digestive enzymes that break down food efficiently. The compounds gingerol and shogaol act as natural antispasmodic agents. They relax the smooth muscles lining your intestines and stomach, reducing cramping and discomfort. Pregnant women use it for morning sickness, and travelers rely on it for motion sickness. To harness this benefit, grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger root into hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then sip slowly. You can drink this 2 to 3 times daily when feeling queasy. Benefit number 2. Strengthening your immune defenses.
Hey, everyone. Before we continue exploring these amazing benefits, I have a quick favor to ask. If you're finding this information valuable, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This helps us reach more people who want to improve their health naturally. Now let's dive into the next incredible benefit of ginger.
Your immune system works tirelessly to protect you from countless threats. Ginger increases blood circulation, allowing immune cells to travel efficiently wherever needed. The gingerol stimulates production of natural killer cells, your first line of defense. It boosts macrophages, which engulf and destroy harmful bacteria and viruses. Another compound called shogaol protects against viral infections like influenza and common colds. By incorporating ginger daily, you're training your immune system to work more effectively. Benefit number 3. Migraine and headache relief. Millions suffer from debilitating migraines that disrupt daily life. Ginger targets inflammation, which plays a significant role in migraine development. It inhibits inflammatory enzymes and helps relax tense muscles that contribute to headache pain. The compound shogaol decreases blood flow to sensitive brain regions, easing migraine pain. For best results, consume ginger fresh, dried, or in supplement form. Drinking ginger tea at the first sign of a headache can prevent it from worsening. Benefit number 4. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Cancer claims hundreds of thousands of lives annually through uncontrolled cell growth. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants and plant compounds that may combat cancer cells. Research found that 3 grams of powdered ginger daily could reduce prostate cancer risk by up to 40%. Studies on mice with breast tumors showed ginger extract reduced growth by approximately 50%. Human breast cancer cells exposed to ginger extract were less likely to spread. This is crucial for metastatic cancers that spread throughout the body. While results are encouraging, more research is needed to fully understand ginger's potential. Benefit number 5. Blood sugar regulation. Managing blood sugar is crucial for health and disease prevention. Ginger helps lower glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Its compounds stimulate the pancreas to produce more insulin naturally. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties combat chronic inflammation, a major contributor to diabetes. One study with 16 volunteers showed that 500 milligrams of ginger powder 3 times daily for 40 days significantly lowered blood sugar after meals. Their bodies also became more sensitive to insulin. Benefit number 6, anxiety management. Anxiety affects millions worldwide, disrupting daily activities and quality of life. When anxiety becomes overwhelming, it interferes with work, relationships, and well-being. Natural remedies offer hope for relief without pharmaceutical interventions. Ginger has been used for generations in Asian and African medicine to promote calmness and reduce nervousness. Foods rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids help reduce anxiety, and ginger fits perfectly into this approach. Many report feeling more centered after incorporating ginger into their routine. Benefit number 7, indigestion and heartburn support. Indigestion affects people of all ages with bloating, gas, burping, and heartburn. These symptoms often appear quickly after eating and can persist for hours or days. Ginger is one of nature's most effective remedies for digestive troubles. The gingerols possess strong anti-inflammatory properties that reduce pain and discomfort. They can even decrease stomach acid production, helping treat mild ulcers. Consume ginger as tea, add it to meals, or take concentrated supplements for maximum effectiveness. Benefit number 8, respiratory and asthma support. Asthma is a chronic lung condition that makes breathing difficult. Airways become swollen and narrow, causing wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Many people manage symptoms naturally, without daily medications. Gingerol helps relax airway muscles, reducing swelling and making breathing easier. It also reduces mucus production, helping you clear airways more effectively. Try juicing 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root and drink immediately. You can also boil 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in water for 5 minutes to make tea. Benefit number 9, Alzheimer's disease protection. Alzheimer's disease devastates memory, thinking, and behavior by destroying brain cells. The disease is characterized by harmful plaques of amyloid beta peptides that accumulate on nerve cells. Exciting research suggests ginger may prevent these plaques from forming. Laboratory studies show ginger extract can inhibit amyloid beta production by up to 80%. Gingerol reduces oxidative stress by inhibiting enzymes that produce inflammatory compounds. These compounds damage brain cells and contribute to Alzheimer's development. Ginger also helps maintain antioxidant enzymes that remove harmful free radicals. By protecting these systems, ginger helps defend your brain against age-related decline. Part 2. Safety considerations. Ginger is generally safe when consumed in reasonable amounts. However, it may interact with blood thinners, diabetes drugs, and heart medications. It can lower blood sugar levels and affect how your body responds to treatments. People with gallstones should use caution as it might worsen symptoms. Consult your doctor before adding ginger if you have diabetes, bleeding disorders, or take heart medications. Conclusion.
So there you have it. As you've discovered today, ginger is far more than a simple cooking spice. This remarkable root offers a wide range of health benefits that can enhance your well-being. From soothing your stomach to potentially protecting your brain, ginger deserves a place in every health-conscious kitchen. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an invaluable tool for anyone seeking natural health solutions. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. See you in the next video!